Hi, in this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to change your email address on Webull application. So first of all, of course, you'd like to go and download Webull application on your phone. Of course, if you do have it, just that's cool. If you don't, you'd like to go and download it through Play Store if you're using an Android, App Store if you're using an iPhone, or any other store you could be possibly using. Then you'd like actually to go and open the application first and then create your account if it's your first time. Of course, if you already have an account, just ignore all of that, log into your account, and let's just get straight into this tutorial. So let me just go here and open my Webull application, as you should, of course, if you want to follow this tutorial steps. And here, as you can see, this will actually be my home or my main screen. If you want to add any stocks or any maybe cryptos to your all stocks watch list, which is all in the all watch lists section, you can find out how to do that in one of our videos on this channel. So as I said, if you want to change your email address, all you need to do, just go and click at the menu at the bottom right corner. So just go and click on that. Then all you need to do, just click at the settings icon, which is here is it. So of course, if you don't have it here, you could have it at the top left corner right here. So let me just go and click here at my settings. From here, I would like just to go and click at accounts and security. And as you can see here, I'll have the option of an email here, mobile number, link third party account, login with QR code. So here I would like to go and click at email, of course. And of course, if you want or you need help, just go and click on that. And if you want to change your email, just go and click on that. And all you need to do first of all is just enter your login password. So after entering your login password, all you need to do, just tap the email that you would like to change. Let's say as an example, you will type the new email that you want to put or to set on your account. Then they will ask you or send you a code to this email. You'll tap the code right there and you'll be good to go. So this will be actually for this tutorial. I hope you guys like it. Thank you guys for watching and goodbye.